Hi, I'm Rob the Cornish Fishmonger, and today I'm going to show you how to produce something in 5 minutes. You know when you come back on a Friday night and you just can't be bothered to cook? Well, in the time it takes you to pop some toast in the toaster with a little bit of smoked salmon and some simple ingredients, you can have supper on the table. So I've got some lovely bread that's just been toasted, nice and crisp. It's still warm, so I'm just going to drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil. So into my bowl, I'm going to put my smoked salmon, some tomatoes, spring onions, just to give it some colour and a little bit of bite. And the most important ingredient is chopped mint. Now that sounds really quite strange, but it's actually lovely. So I'm going to squeeze a lime in, all those lovely juices. Now honey and mint are just beautiful. You don't want too much, just a little drizzle. So I just love the pepperiness of watercress. Doesn't matter what you've got, whichever leaf you've got, whichever one you want, it's just fine. So I've mixed all the ingredients together. Just going to toss them around, just mix things in. Just make sure the lime has mixed with the honey, so you've got that blend of flavours. I'm going to put the toast oiled onto the plate and just lightly pop on the smoked salmon onto the plate. Just doesn't really matter what it looks like, but it's just spread it on because you're going to want to enjoy this in a minute. That honey and the mint and the smoked salmon just works beautifully. What a super simple supper.